don't know how to do it.
Try it. You can play the flute.
That was so funny.
How do you play the flute?
I don't know.
How does Mommy play the flute?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
My from here?
You put your thumb on this side.
This one?
Yeah. Okay.
Where'd this go?
Let's see. I think right here, maybe? Yeah. Okay. You know what? We're going to have to practice.
Can you practice?
It takes a lot of practice to learn to play an instrument. No, not there. That's the right idea. Do you like music?
Yes. That's not funny. That's not right.
Is that silly? You're silly.
That's not funny.
You are funny.